guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video I'm going to be testing out some makeup which is under ₹100. So let's get started. So I feel like let me give you guys a little bit of a backstory about why this video. When I used to go to college, I was on a very limited budget and I also didn't want to do a full face of makeup. So the products that I have here are very college friendly. They're super affordable because they're under ₹100. So every month also if you save up ₹100 in like a few months, you will have a full face of makeup that you can actually wear to college. The first product that I have is the Pond's BB cream. Now this is such a nostalgic product because मैं ये genuinely college में use करती थी, but the packaging is very different from what I used to have. So I feel like they could have changed the formula. I don't know. I'm going to use it exactly like I did in college, just over my problem areas and use very little product because क्या होता है इसमें shade match is a little difficult because they come out only with like very few shades because it's supposed to be sheer coverage. So if you use a lot, it will give you a white cast or it'll be too dark for your skin. So I just like to take this like this and then warm it up with my fingers and apply it wherever I need coverage. It's genuinely the best way to apply it and I loved this for my under eyes. पहले मेरे इतने dark circles नहीं थे though, so wow, that's a lot. See, it gives the most natural coverage. You can't tell that there is like a lot of makeup or anything on my face. I love the finish it gives on the skin. It's like very dewy, it's very subtle and it looks like your skin but better. And if you have really dark circles like I do right now, I feel like the best way would be to use a little bit of orange corrector under it and it would look just beautiful. There we go. I don't think it looks half bad. I think it looks really nice actually. Next, I used to always carry a compact with me because I had oily skin, and when you're running around in your college for fests or to the canteen or to bunk lectures, whatever it may be, a compact powder is a must have. मैंने ये पहले कभी try नहीं किया है though, so let's see. The shade looks pretty alright to me. It also comes with a sponge, so we're gonna test it out. I actually prefer my fingers, so I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and dab it wherever you need coverage. This also gives a little bit of coverage, so that's really nice. I don't know why this product isn't spoken about more because look at that, it's covering up almost everything really nicely. And when you apply a cream you need that powder to set it because what happens is you sweat and all, then the cream will just wear off. Here they at least have like a protective layer. I really like this compact. I think it's very nice, very smooth, super easy to apply. Even with my finger, like it's blending out. It's not chalky, it's not ashy. It's really nice. Is the Blue Heaven Get Bright Compact Powder. Really like it. Next on my list, I have a blusher. This is the Insight Cream Blusher. Something I have used before, not in college, but I've genuinely used this one before and it's beautiful. I'm just gonna take a little bit. It's a cream blush and it's a beautiful coral shade. So I'm just gonna tap it right here. It gives the most natural sun-kissed blush. Something that used to happen to me in college. So I have this friend, okay? She is very fair. So every time she becomes red, her whole face becomes like red and pink and that is how she blushes. But me as a dusky skin person, I've never really, when I blush, I don't think my face turns red ever. So I used to always, use a pink blush, like a hot pink or like a red, until I started using coral blushes and I realized that this is so much more appropriate for my skin tone. Like this looks way more natural. This looks like it's blended in. And the finish of this blush, you guys, I've literally used my fingers and I'm using it on powder and cream and it's not breaking the makeup. It's not doing anything funny and I think it looks beautiful. This is probably like my favorite product from this video so far because my god, how pretty is that? Next was a part of my face that I definitely ignored all through college and I feel like I wish I didn't because it makes so much of a difference, which is eyebrows. So I'm using the Mars Brow Better Eyebrow Pencil. So I'm someone who actually has microblading done on my brows right now, and it's kind of fading away because almost 1 साल होने को आया है, and you can still see that just doing my brows, in spite of a treatment that expensive, just doing it a little bit, filling it in and then combing it out, which this pencil can do, just makes so much of a difference. Like literally makes so much of a difference. So don't sleep on your brows. Even if you're not going to be applying makeup on your face, I feel like a little bit of brow can really do the trick. I love this brow pencil, by the way, because it's very creamy. This is my first time trying it out. It's very creamy. It's dark, but you know, not too dark. It's waxy almost a little bit, and it gives you a lot of control. Plus, I love that it comes with a spoolie, guys. Like, spoolie is so important because you have to blend the brow product. You can't just apply it, draw it, and not blend it. Blending it is the most important bit, so don't sleep on that either. This is what my brows look like, and I'm genuinely impressed. If I'm not wrong, this product costs 65 rupees, so it's insanely good, like really good. Next, I wanted to get an eyeliner, बट मेरे को ब्लैक आईलाइनर नहीं ट्राई करना था फॉर सम रीजन. आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कुछ फन करते हैं. सो आई गॉटन दिस ब्लू eyeliner. It's the Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks for Eyes. So they have lots of colors in this, including black and brown. So if the formula is good, you can go ahead and get that. But on the eyelid, it's not really coming through. Nope, not a fan. It's becoming very difficult to draw with this, and it's not that pigmented. Like I have to keep going over and over again to see some color. It works, but I don't think it works very well. There are brands like Blue Heaven, Swiss Beauty, Insight. They all do eyeliners, and I feel like they would be much better because this is taking too long. Honestly, no, not the biggest fan. I think this is the first fail of the video. It works, but it doesn't work well. And why wouldn't you want something that works well? Even if you had to put like 20-30 rupees extra, you rather get a product that actually works beautifully. Next, we have this Blue Heaven 10x volumizing mascara. Okay, it's a tiny mascara. It says 10x volume. It has a thick brush. I would love to curl my lashes, and wow, this is very separating as a mascara. I feel like the wand is too big though. Like बहुत ही बड़ा है. The bristles are too far from each other. I feel like they should be more close to each other. It's a disaster for the lower lashes. Again, because the product is getting everywhere because the bristles are just too far apart. I don't love it. I feel like the only reason I don't love it is because it's gotten on my top eye over here. It's gotten on my top eye over here. Bottom lashes are a disaster. It's clearly transferred into my skin, and I also feel like it's going inside my eye because the product is too liquidy. No, this is also a pass from my end. Oh god, we don't have any good news for the eyes basically. Next up, moving on to lips. Something I used to love doing is using a lip liner. This is the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. Now this product I know is a good product. Earlier I didn't really understand the importance of a lip liner because I feel like lipstick se ye kaam ho sakta hai. But genuinely lip liners leave such a nice stain behind. They make your lipstick last longer, and even when your lipstick wears off, you'll still have some color if you have a lip liner underneath. So if you're someone who does not like to touch up your lipstick throughout the day, definitely invest in a lip liner. This is some 100 rupees, and if you don't mind touching up, I feel like you can really skip the lip liner. I love this particular shade because it's looking very my lips but better kind of shade. All the products are tagged in the video, so definitely tap on it and check it out. And obviously, to finish off the lip, we are going to be doing a long wear lip gloss from Insight. Now, when I was in college, I used to be a liquid lipstick girly because that is what was trending at the time. Now I know glosses are trending, and I also really like glosses, so I've gotten like this nudie brown shade. Wow, this smells like caramel. Wow, काफी ज़्यादा pigment है इसमें. Like I feel like it's too much almost. So if you have pigmented lips, do not worry because this is going to cover everything. But I do feel like this is a bit much for college. So you can just take some paper and blot it away. Definitely so much better, and even after so much blotting, the color is still there, plus the lip liner is covering the darkness around my lips. And that is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know your favorite product from the video. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.